How's it going, guys? It's me, Melvin, once again with Prime Hustles. And in this video, I'm actually going to share with you guys how you can level up your game. Okay, level up your social media posts with a design software called Glorify. And if you haven't heard of Glorify, man, let me tell you, it's an amazing design software. It's easy to use. They have a bunch of templates where you can basically level up your social media posts, and not only your social media posts. Let's say you have a website, okay, and you want to level up your product images. You can do all that on Glorify, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So keep watching. Got you.
I'm a young Spanish nigga from the projects. I'm gon' make it, who gon' stop it? I ain't got nothing to lose, yeah. Fuck all the rules, yeah. I'm on the move, yeah. I'm a young Spanish.
Alright, guys. So after you sign up with Glorify, if you're not already signed up, you're going to come to your dashboard. And guys, if you guys don't have Glorify, I'm going to leave a link in the description. It is an affiliate link. It's no extra cost to you. It just helps your boy out. Support the channel. Alright, guys. And so right here, once you're on your dashboard, just go to create design. So for this example, we're going to do an Instagram post. Alright, guys. And this is going to be cut and dry. I'm going to show you guys step by step how you guys can do it from scratch. Alright. So just hit on Instagram, and we're going to do a post. Okay, you could do a social media profile image, your story post, mock-up zine, infographic, you name it. Okay, and also if you want to do it for, let's say, Facebook. Oops. If you guys want to do it for Facebook, there you go. Look at all that. Thumbnail, you name it. Okay, and anything for, why am I doing that? So let's say you want to do something for YouTube. There you go. You can do your thumbnails here, your channel art, social profile image, mock-up scene, infographic. Guys, it's amazing. But for this example, we're going to go with Instagram. Okay? And we're going to do a post. Alright? So once you're here, you're going to have a bunch of templates. Alright, guys? A bunch of templates that you can use. But we're going to start from scratch. So we're going to hit new from scratch. And now you got your blank canvas. Alright, guys. Now we're going to decorate this thing. I'm going to go to free images right here under basic. Hit free images. And I'm going to go with the background. Let's say Chicago. Okay. And let's say I'm going to pick which background I want. I'm going to click that one. Okay. And what you can do here is literally like drag it all the way. Okay, kind of center it out, and you could drag it down. Okay, basically zooming in, right? So let's say I'm happy with how it looks. Cool. Now you can click on it, right? And then right here on the right side where it says image adjustments, just click that arrow down and scroll down to where you see blur. You just kind of blur out the background, okay? Just a little bit. And then this arrow, just go back. And let's say I want to put, let's say I'm going to advertise a product, okay? I'm going to advertise a product for my store. But I'm going to upload this. This is an Instagram post, so I'm going to upload it on my Instagram just to advertise it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my uploads. You could basically upload your business logo, any picture you want to put up there. You can literally go on the bottom here where it says uploads, just click on it. And I'm actually going to go right here to my business logo here. It's Prime Hustles. Bam. Okay, look at that, guys. Okay, well, you're like, that looks too bland. You can decorate that. Alright, guys. Now what you can do is we're going to edit this thing out. Okay, we're going to do a drop shadow. Okay, so you're going to go drop shadow. You're going to turn it on, right? And you see how I did the drop shadow with the black? Let's say I actually like it. Alright? And if you want to, you can like do the horizontal distance, okay, to where you're comfortable, guys. And you could do your bring it down more, but I think I like it right there. And you could level up your blur if you want. Boom, boom, bam, done deal. I'm happy with that. All right, so I'm gonna advertise a product. Let's say I want to put this image right here. Okay, I'm gonna drop that down in the corner. I'm gonna drag it up. Boom, boom. Look at that. It's coming along well, guys. Let's say we're gonna do this phone case. Okay, I'm gonna drag that down. Okay, let's say I want to advertise this phone case on my Instagram. Here I go. Bam, bam. Okay, and let's say, all right, well, I'm happy, but how about I just want to throw some text in there? Well, you guys can do that too. All right, and literally, guys, all this stuff is easy to do. You have your brand logos here. You have icons, guys. Okay, you can literally just type in whatever, and you could like locate an icon if you want. A bunch of elements. Okay, you could do shapes. Let's say I want to put this basic shape. Okay, and let's say I want to put it up on this top corner. I could literally just drag it like that to the corner and just drag it across. Okay, drag it across, and let's say I want to make this color black. So what I could do is shape settings. You go let's see, yeah. So under shape settings, you're gonna go to where it says shape on the right hand side. Just click on it and just boom, put black. Okay, and let's say on the bottom, let's say I want to duplicate that. So just right click, hit duplicate. Okay, just bring it up, bring it down to the bottom. Okay, just drag it across. Voila. Alright, and I'm gonna throw some text in there. So throw some text, and we're gonna put, let's see, this one here. We're gonna go with heading. So we just drag it to where we can see it. Double click. Okay, okay, and then we're gonna put, let's see, $20. All right, guys. So you put your price there. You just go here, change your text color. Bam, bam. Let's say you don't like the font, just go to font. And let's say I want super fats. Then bam. Okay. Then what you guys can do is you guys can shrink this in. Okay. And then grab the corners, just drag up. Voila. There you go. Okay, guys. You guys can do it like that. You don't have to do it too big like that, but we can put that on the bottom left, and we could drag this picture that way, maybe shrink it just a tad bit. Okay, I'm happy. Done deal, guys. You see here, you got your post. Okay, now you can upload this on your Instagram. Voila. And there's just so much more you could do, guys, with this. Okay, I know you guys are probably wondering, hey, I could do this with Canva. You can do it with Canva, but you have so many more options when it comes to leveling up your game on social media. Okay, and on your e-commerce store. Let's say if you got a Shopify store, guys, you can they got templates, like product templates that you can literally play with to level up that game as well. Okay, so literally the opportunities are endless with Glorify. It's an amazing design software. It's easy to use, and I highly recommend it. I stand behind it all the way. You know, I've been with Glorify from the beginning, from when they launched, from when they originally started. I've been with them, so I'm part of the Forever Plan. But you guys can literally check it out. It's amazing. It won't disappoint you. Okay, and after you're done, let's say you're okay with how it looks, you just literally go right here to this download arrow. Okay, just click the file type that you like, just hit download, and look at this, guys. Voila, you got your Instagram post ready to go. Guys, if you found this video helpful in any way, Smash that like button, comment, subscribe. It helps your boy out, and it helps me create more content. It actually motivates me, and it actually help others. You know, let's push this video out to help others, inspire others to be creative. Okay, be unique, and the opportunities are endless, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I'm a young Spanish nigga from the projects. I'm gon' make it, who gon' stop it?